How to connect PayPal and Squarespace. In order to do that, you first need to head over first into your actual online store on Squarespace. From in there, proceed to click right here into this settings or gear icon. Then from in there, you can see all of these options. You can proceed to actually go over right here into your billing as well as heading over right here to the options that allows you to do this. On your billing, you should be able to see in here your payment information as well as your subscription and invoices. If you wish to receive payments, you can head over right here to the selling, and under this, you can see the payments. Click on this right there, and then in here, you can see that we have Stripe, and we also have PayPal. You can also use POS of Square. For this case, let's choose in here the actual PayPal option and click onto disconnect right there. So in there, as you can see right now, I'm currently on the Squarespace trial, so it doesn't allow me to connect a PayPal account. However, if you're already subscribed to a plan on Squarespace, you can proceed to click on disconnect and then just log in into your actual PayPal in order to connect that on your Squarespace. So as you can see, it takes around 5 minutes to connect, so it's as easy as that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.